Divorce doesn't happen overnight. It's not one fight. It's not one mistake. It's the slow erosion of connection, trust, and love. But here's the truth. Most divorces are preventable. In this video, you'll discover 7 proven habits that protect your marriage, even when life gets messy. So, stick around till the end for a bonus tip from couples who've stayed happily married for over 30 years. Research shows nearly half of marriages end in divorce, but most of them don't end in screaming matches. They end in silence, disconnection, resentment. So how do you protect your love story? Not with grand gestures, but with daily habits that build emotional safety, respect, and real intimacy. Let's dive in. According to Dr. John Gottman, healthy couples have 5 positive interactions for every 1 negative. That means for every conflict, you need 5 small moments of kindness: a compliment, a hug, a thoughtful check-in, a thank you, a shared laugh. These micro moments are the glue. Without them, conflict becomes toxic. Try this. Each day, do 5 things that say, "I see you. I value you." Busy couples forget to talk about their feelings. They talk about bills, work, kids, but not about each other. Ask your partner, how are you really feeling today? Is there anything weighing on you? How can I support you this week? When couples regularly share emotions, they build trust and avoid emotional buildup that leads to blow-ups. Bonus tip, create a weekly connection hour. No phones, just conversation. If you're saying "I love you" in a language your partner doesn't feel, it won't land. The 5 love languages are words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. So, learn your partner's language and speak it often. For example, you might be giving gifts, but your partner just wants quality time. Love is felt when it's received in the right form. Arguments aren't the enemy. Disrespect is. Healthy couples know how to pause before things explode. Try this. Take a 20-minute cool-off break when emotions are high. Say, "I want to resolve this, not win it." Use I statements instead of blame. Instead of, "You never listen," say, "I feel unheard when I talk about things that matter." Conflict handled with care deepens trust. One of the first signs a marriage is in danger? No more fun, no more dates, no more laughter. Couples who regularly date each other stay connected emotionally and romantically. Schedule weekly or bi-weekly date nights, even if it's just coffee or a walk. Here's a tip. Revisit your first date conversations, like, what first attracted you to each other? What are your dreams now? Romance needs nurturing, even after years. It's not just about what happens inside your marriage. You must protect it from what happens outside too. That means, well, setting healthy boundaries with friends, in-laws, and coworkers. Guarding your emotional energy on social media. Not venting about your spouse to outsiders. Saying no to flirtations, even if they seem harmless. Emotional affairs often start with casual conversations. Here's a simple rule. If you wouldn't say or do it in front of your spouse, don't do it. Small hurts that go unhealed become big emotional wounds. Don't let misunderstandings turn into months of distance. When something hurts, just say, "That moment felt off for me. Can we talk about it?" Or, "I know I snapped earlier. That wasn't fair. I'm sorry." Couples who repair quickly build emotional safety. Don't be afraid to be the first to say sorry. Pride has no place in real love. Couples who stay strong through life's storms often share a bigger vision. They ask, what do we want our legacy to be? Or, how do we want our kids to see love? And what values guide our relationship? Whether it's faith, family, or shared goals, root your marriage in something deeper than just feelings. Feelings change. Vision endures. Divorce is rarely caused by one major blow. It's the daily neglect of the things that build love. But the good news? You can start today. You can shift your habits. You can grow your marriage into something stronger than ever before. Start with one habit. Practice it consistently. Watch your connection deepen. If this helped you, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this video matters. Drop a comment. Which habit will you try this week? And don't miss our next video, the one habit that predicts divorce, and how to fix it before it's too late. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Your support helps us reach more couples and make a difference.